All
You're
right.
going to
Oh, we
claim it.
have to put it in an email, isn't it?
Yes.
Shoot. It
So
was Maribel, wasn't
we
it?
do the BOS. Yep. And it should be that one right there, and you can just click on
Is
that.
it?
Yep.
Okay, all right, okay, okay. All
And we should be good.
right. All right.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this February 18th, 7 p.m. meeting of the Town of Ocam FinCom. I'm going to call this meeting to order at 7:06 p.m. In attendance, we have myself, Corey Packard, and we also have in person
Vin Piucci.
and
And Claire Hendra.
all right, remotely, Claire, if you just look at the attendees list, we just want to make sure that there's no one waiting.
The attendees list, huh?
Make sure there's no one in the,
I don't see
Lobby.
attendees list.
all right.
Let's be back. Host tools, maybe it's under host tools.
Participants.
Oh, participants.
So we just keep an eye, we'll just keep this open.
Okay,
So if anyone tries to join, we can let them in. All right. So with the three of us, we do have a quorum and the meeting can continue. So first item, public comments, inquiries, and correspondence. I had nothing in the mailbox. Has anybody heard anything from the public?
No.
No. All right. So first up, I wanted to address, hopefully it was a quick item. Did everybody see the email about the Norfolk Agricultural School for Animal Science in Walpole, Mass?
yeah, yes.
So I didn't print that one out, but that's a substantial cost to the town.
So this is where we have to take a time out. Okay. So what I gave to the selectmen yesterday, and I didn't make a copy of it to give to you, is that I asked them first of all, the application, the selectmen were talking about, or at least I have picked up via Maribel that there was discussion about Colleen Mucha saying she didn't want to commit the OCAM resources. And so I printed out the application and I printed out the information on tuition, non-resident students, or I should say tuition out of the district students. Number one, the application just goes first from the student, fills it out, it gets sent to Norfolk. Norfolk sends it back to Colleen Mucha, and Colleen can either approve or disapprove it. So I printed out the information for the selectmen that there's 3 conditions under which she can disapprove it. She doesn't commit us to money because we are committed by the law. So,
So should
our
we,
money has nothing to do with Colleen Mucha.
so the email that we got from Maribel, the tuition is 30,000 a year.
Hold on.
Does not include transportation cost, which OCAM would be responsible for. Should we budget for that under the law?
So here's the way I left it with the selectmen. They can refuse, Colleen can refuse it and I told them that they need to have Colleen check with the DESE. Because if there's a comparable program that is closer to the resident town, then Colleen Mucha can refuse.
What can she refuse? The applicants?
Yeah, she can
For
refuse if they
position?
go to Norfolk. She can refuse the application. That was number one. Number two, Norfolk had 400 students apply for 150 positions. So last week they ran a lottery. And the first 150 lottery numbers pulled out of the hat are the ones that are going to go to Norfolk.
Oh, it's
So-
100% lottery.
It's lottery because
Wow.
400 apply for 150 positions. So I said, you need to know what the lottery number is of this person. Because it may be a moot issue. They may not be good.
Yeah.
Okay. So there are a couple things that they have to check. The next, and so if they do go to Norfolk, and there's, and DESI, they have what they call CIP codes. And so they assign CIP codes to programs. It's the commissioner who determines if the programs are comparable. I couldn't find the CIP codes. So I said, the commissioner says that you should call and they will tell you whether the programs are comparable or not. So if Colleen, I said, it may be a moot issue about them going to Norfolk because you don't know what their lottery number is. They have 1 out of 2 chances, I figure, of getting in. 2, when it comes to tuition, Norfolk, the tuition rates are determined by the Commissioner of Education. They don't come out till the end of April. So we would have to go onto the website and check it. So the only things that we have is from last year.
So 30,000 from last year.
It's $27,000.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Norfolk Agricultural is the only school that the Commissioner of Education has given them the permission to charge additional amounts of money for what they call capital rate, which is $1,700. So you can say it'll be somewhere around 30 if they pulled the lucky lottery number. Okay.
Do we have an indication from Colleen Muha if she was going to deny the applicant?
Well, I don't know if Colleen knows that she can do it. So I gave the information to the selectmen and I said, do you want us to talk with Colleen or are you going to talk to Colleen? And I really didn't get an answer. So we have to follow up with the selectmen. Are you going to contact Colleen? And I gave them the download from the Department of Education site with the paragraphs highlighted. And that have the explanation of the reasons why you can deny.
Well, I feel like to be conservative, we should budget for the 30,000 based on what you're saying.
We probably should, although
Because we can strike it post
you can
April.
strike it. We can put it in and then strike it.
If the applicant chooses not to go, if Colleen chooses not to accept the applicant, I hear you, there's a number of steps to come.
So
But at
there's
least in
things
our,
to follow up on.
in our preliminary budget, I feel like we should still include it.
I would include it.
Okay.
If they did like not to go to, or they can't go because they're not in the lucky lottery number, they can elect to go to Smith Northampton, which is around 21,000. So there's a substantial difference.
Yeah, almost 30% savings.
Yeah, there's a reason for it. When you look at the schools, the school ratings, there's no doubt that Norfolk is superior.
Really?
There's
Okay.
just absolutely no doubt.
I don't know much about either, so.
Yeah,
Great.
well, I just go on go in and I check the school ratings.
Yeah.
You know, and the school ratings show that Norfolk is undoubtedly
Okay.
superior. The transportation, what we've done in the past is we've gone to a transportation company like AA or Vanpol. And the cost of a van was around $17,000 and we budgeted for 17. But it's good to go with a company that has other students that are going in that area. Because what they do is they congregate the children together. And so the town shares the van cost. So when we had situations like this before, we would let the van company put together, the stops for the van.
Right.
And we didn't pay 17,000. We
Yeah, so if
paid
they're-
10 to 12.
So if they're picking up someone in Ocam, Princeton,
Right.
2 in Shrewsbury, and
Yeah,
and 3 in
yeah.
Westboro, and then they end up in Norfolk.
Yeah, then we
Right,
share the
okay.
cost. So,
Forward to the-
17 is a real conservative number, I think.
Okay.
Sounds it to me for,
Yeah.
yeah.
So you're
But
thinking,
probably less.
30 plus 15 would be,
I'd go 17.
you'd go for the full 17?
Give yourself breathing room.
Okay.
So I gave that information to them.
I don't know how this works. I'm just trying to figure this out. What's
Okay.
required by law when a student says, I want to go wherever?
Yeah,
Is the town required to
Yes.
let them go basically
Yes.
wherever they decide to go?
yes, yes. And that's why it was important to download that information from DESI because it says, reasons like essentially reasons for disapproval. And it lists them out.
Mm.
It says that the resident town has declared a school of preference. We never did that. Or that there's a comparable program that's a shorter distance away.
Mhm.
And then there was a third reason I don't remember, man. But you have to go online to read this stuff, but you are committed.
So the town
Yeah.
is
You're on the
stuck for
hook.
50 grand a year if
That's
this
correct.
works out that way.
That's right.
And just for the record,
Yes.
for everyone for our 12 people who watch this later, DESE is the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education. So it's just Google Massachusetts and DESE
That's right.
to find.
And yeah, and it's the commission that makes the final determination. So Colleen would return the application with not approved, and then she would have to state the reason, which she can take right out of the paragraph from the regulations
Mhm.
on DESE's website. And then if the parents decide to contest, then it goes to the commissioner, and the commissioner makes the final determination.
Does the town get a rebate from Quabbin? for
No,
that one?
there are no rebates.
So we're paying
We only
actually to
pay,
go to two schools.
no.
No.
Claire can
No.
pay a foundation if Claire wants to elaborate.
Well, what is interesting is the student that's going to go to Norfolk, or that would like to go to Norfolk. I think they also get counted, as I was reading the information from DESE, as a resident student. And resident students are part of the foundation budget for Quabbin. Now, last time we had a situation like this, I had talked with the commissioner and he said that we would be getting money back in chapter 70. Now, when you look at the cherry sheet and it says chapter 70 and you don't see anything there, that's because chapter 70 goes to the regional school districts, Pathfinder and Quabbin. However, if a student goes out of district to like Smith Northampton or to Bay Path or one of the other vocational schools that's not Pathfinder, we do get chapter 70 money, and it'll come not this year, but next year. Because the student will get picked up on the vocational high school's roster, which gets submitted to the state on October 1st of 2026. It's not much. I think it was between 5,000 and 5,700, but you do see some money coming in.
So I think we're all in agreement. We're going to plan that the student gets accepted and the student decides to go and Colleen allows it. And so we're going to budget 47,000 in our preliminary budget. Come April, as things evolve, if that line item gets struck, that line item gets struck.
And then you just have more money.
Okay.
Yeah. So
That
that's
is-
the history.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
That's all I had on Norfolk. I just want to make sure we were all on the same page.
So I don't know, would have to check with the selectmen if they're going to check. Now, when you submit your application to Norfolk, they give you a lottery number. When it comes back, it has the lottery number on it. So the question is, what's the lottery number? And we can go online and see if they made the 150 cut.
Have they pulled the numbers yet?
Oh, yeah, they pulled it last week.
Oh, okay.
And then all the lottery numbers are posted on the website. So you can go and check where your lottery number is.
So Claire, you're going to follow up with the Board of Selectmen on that item?
Oh, well, why don't you assign it to me and I will.
Claire, would you mind following up with the Board of
No,
Selectmen on
I
that?
won't. No, I'll ask them, no problem.
Perfect, thank
Now-
you.
If they end up going to Smith, what does that cost comparatively?
Last year it was 21,000.
21, okay.
Yeah, and I would budget the same transportation
About
cost.
the same, yeah.
Yeah, and the question is how many students, usually we were pretty lucky. We would have a couple going from Hardwick and, around our towns not Barry really, but Hardwick and New Braintree. And so we would share a van and there were times we split it between 3 towns.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's a long ride to go to school.
it's longer to Norfolk. It's an hour and a half.
Well, you gotta get there, you
And
get on the
it's-
Mass Pike and stop.
Yeah. And, my husband said to me, are you sure that it'll be the same amount to go east? Because that's a tougher trip.
Yeah, it may not.
Yeah, it's a tougher trip. So if you look at the DESE site, you can find a school. And you can say, I want to go for animal science, and you plug it in and it comes up and it tells you from here in Ocam, you can go to Norfolk, you can go to Smith Northampton, you can go to Bristol. And it gives you the distance. So right there on the DESE site, it says from here to Norfolk is 60 miles. From here to Smith Northampton on their site says 40 miles. And I think that makes a compelling argument.
Okay. That's all we had on that item. The next new business item I had was the fiscal 27 budget discussion. We wanted to set those dates.
We wanted to set the dates. Do you want to set that now, or do you want to just see another an item of contention that's come up? And I should have sent this to Lori. I've discussed this with Diane Peterson too. The question, we have two things.
I feel like this is,
Does this look familiar? This comes right from Gateway.
I feel like I've seen this before.
Well, you see that this is my spreadsheet, but all these categories are straight from Gateway's 2.5 limit.
So line 9 is the $75,000 Prop 2.5 override.
We did a
Yep.
Prop 2.5 override in 2018, and Lori was saying that she couldn't find where we took the Prop 2.5 override. And I think she was looking at the tax recap on page 4, which details how we're going to pay for the budget. But this comes straight from Gateway, DLS Gateway, under their category tax rates, Prop 2.5. So you have to register with the state all your overrides, your debt exclusions, and all your overrides and exclusions, okay, of all various kinds.
So was that 75,000 carried forward?
It was, and that's what you're seeing here. And so this is what I went over with the selectmen yesterday.
Okay.
So we got it in 2017. It was added into our levy limit in 2018 to come up with a current year levy limit. That was my terminology.
Line 11.
Yeah, which is on line 11. And then after that, you add on your debt exclusions to come up with an adjusted amount of your levy limit for the year. But your current year levy limit becomes the beginning of the next year's determination of the levy limit. And this was to show them that we rolled in the 75,000. It's there.
Okay, so it was not outstanding as we were
No.
wondering.
No, we didn't miss it.
Okay,
Now, you may also notice under line 14, there's another override, and this is where I found on the DLS Gateway, where they list all debt exclusions and overrides. So we voted in 2017, an assessor stabilization fund override. It works just like an override for Prop 2.5. We voted in $5,000. Every year that we use it, it goes up 2.5% automatically.
is that line 14?
It is indeed,
Why did it get dropped in FY 20?
because people didn't seem to remember that we had it. The override is never expires.
Right.
If you don't want the override, you have to vote an underride. And Lori did check. We have never voted an underride. Well, of course, because people forgot it was there. But we can take it this year, and I believe we can take it for 2.5% over the $5,125.
So I was gonna say, so if it was 5,000 in FY 18 and it was 5125 in FY 19, can you jump 2.5% or can you cumulative?
That's my question too. And I would have to ask Jerry Curtis. I have to ask him.
Is that the guy
That's our DLS rep.
that's our DLS rep?
And I found out that's our DLS rep, but that's not the assessor's DLS rep. They have a different person, which I didn't realize.
Because I would think that just because you forgot it off your budget, you shouldn't be penalized.
I love that reasoning, frankly. Yeah.
But I understand the state might not let us do that.
But even if we can only increase it 2.5% over 5,125, the point is we can continue to fund the stabilization fund that pays for the 5-year reval as an override. It's not part of the operating budget.
So Claire's gonna ask the DLS to find out what number we can plug in for that.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes, and I even found the warrant and I found the vote.
I don't remember an underride vote any of the town meetings I've been to.
You have never had an underride vote.
Yeah, okay.
I wish we could afford one somewhere along the way.
Yeah, I mean, that
Gonna
would,
run out of money soon,
that would really be something. Hmm. Well, you know, rather than voting the underride, what you just don't do is tax to the full amount.
Right.
And the reason why this was interesting to the selectmen, because I've been trying to put together information to go for Prop 2.5 override. I've been working with Diane Peterson because she's really helpful.
Did you want to speak to your row? Well, it's row 27, but
Sure.
you talk about the levy limit excess capacity from row 17 compared to row 23.
Yeah,
And the only reason I didn't know if you want to talk to about that is it's come up a lot, as in the past, selectmen had claimed that was money left on the table. And Lori had explained when we met with her, she's now explained at least twice that that's not how it works. And I didn't know if you just wanted to.
yeah. So I think they understood yesterday for the first time that that's a misleading statement to say you left it on the table.
And I don't know if it was current selectmen or former selectmen. I'm not saying it was anyone in
Yeah,
particular.
yeah.
I'm saying it was a
Yeah,
misunderstanding.
it is.
And Lori had tried to correct it a few times and so if you wanted to speak to that just for the record, that would be
Yeah.
great.
So what we're looking at in row 17 is how much we could have, the levy limit that we could have taxed to. We could have gone up that far. In row 23 is how much we actually took of that levy limit in the tax rate. So as you can see in fiscal 2020, we voted to take in a levy limit 90,000 less than what we were allowed to take.
Almost 91,000.
Yeah, almost 91.
But that was basically the way Lori explained it was you didn't tax your residents more
Correct.
than you had to.
What you did in that case, the way I explained it to the selectmen, is you held the tax rate lower for your citizens that 1 year because you had resources such as local revenue, free cash, etc., that could make up the difference
Right.
in what you needed for a budget and what you needed in order to raise through the tax rate. So you held the tax rate artificially low for the benefit of the citizens in the town.
I like that.
So that one, yes, and that's part of my argument for Prop 2.5 override. I'm practicing.
Right, that's part of your argument in favor of it?
That's right. We have done our best.
Yeah,
We have held the tax rate artificially low for the benefit of the residents in the town. And we can no longer do that.
The only tweak I might add to that would be not the residents of the town, but the taxpayers.
Okay, taxpayers of the town. Yeah, so that 1 year, we could have raised another $90,000 worth of revenue and elected not to. It's closed with the year. It's done.
Yeah.
Next year, you start fresh.
I think that's a great way to explain it.
Hmm.
And I think it'll probably come up at the town meeting. So I really, really
Well-
appreciate you practicing.
We would have to do it before the town meeting if we're going to go for a Prop 2.5 override. So in the course of doing the budgets, we would have to come up with that decision. So I was a little worried about the 75 because I said, oh shit, how am I going to explain that we need a Prop 2.5 override if we left $75,000 on the table?
But luckily that was
And-
carried forward.
Yeah, but it was carried forward.
Good.
So we don't have to worry about that.
Okay. So while we're talking about all this, the budget discussion, that was also factors into the next item, setting the schedule.
Okay.
To
so now
review
we
the
do that,
budgets?
yeah. Mhm.
What I believe we're going to do that at the same time as the Board of Selectmen. They have a preset schedule. It's probably easier for us to adjust our schedule to their nights if that works for you guys. What's your feeling?
I think we need to set a schedule, you know, as best as we can agree upon for everybody.
And
Yeah.
the only reason I would argue counter to that, the counterpoint I would make, is if we move the Board of Selectmen to our nights, you don't get other issues mixed in. A lot of times in the
I
past,
agree.
a lot of the
Yeah.
time in the past,
Sure, it's a regular meeting
You,
plus.
you have residents, you have
Yeah.
regular meeting plus, and residents
Oh.
show up with the concerns. And it's a longer meeting. The department heads are here longer than they need to be. So that would be
Oh,
the
okay.
counterpoint.
What I probably was misunderstood. And that is, I want to set a schedule.
Yes.
The only people I want here, are the department heads we're talking to. No one else.
But if we call it a Board of Selectmen meeting where we join them, then it's a Board of Selectmen meeting
But
and residents come with other
Right.
concerns.
Yeah.
If we do a FinCom meeting and we invite Board of Selectmen and the department heads, it's a FinCom meeting.
I think it's important to understand that the meetings with the department heads are the FinCom meetings,
So
period. That's your responsibility.
what's your feeling on that, Vinnie?
But we should set a schedule and send it to the selectmen and see if they can join us on those evenings. And if they can't, we'll say, well, what evenings, reasonable accommodation of when you can join us. And then get it out to the committee members.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm fine with doing it that way.
Okay.
I actually looked it up and it appears that it all depends on the town, how the town runs, who does it.
Well,
So,
it depends upon our bylaws.
right.
And our bylaws specifically state that FinCom is responsible. Oh,
I
yes, it
missed that one.
does.
Okay.
Read the bylaw.
Well, I have.
And
I was
the
looking for
reason-
other stuff.
And the reason why I do is because the Boston Legal Department did read our bylaws.
Hmm.
And they
Okay.
said, we have never seen anything so clear in our lives. And oh, and by the way, what happened in 66? Because something bad happened in your town, or it wouldn't have been that clear. We're probably one of the only finance committees that I know of that are not allowed to get a money. What do they call it? A stipend. We are not permitted to, it's specifically stated in the bylaw, we are not permitted to have a stipend. So they said to me, what did you guys do? What happened there?
Next time you talk to someone who was in town in 66.
Yeah, and I said, I was in Buffalo, New York, going to high school in 1960. I don't have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll put together. So how
So,
many
let's-
departments do we want to meet? And
All of them. They are dying to talk to us.
Okay.
I've been approached, but the assessors want to meet with us.
You want to try to squeeze in, what do we have, 15?
Well, let's see who okay, so I'm trying to.
I mean, we can ask them to all come in one evening, but that's
How
a lot.
many are there?
No, not on one evening.
Yeah.
We would have to schedule meetings because
Oh,
we want to make sure, oh, yeah.
I thought you meant one evening. I was.
Oh, no, oh my God.
That'd
Could
be a
you
long meeting.
imagine?
That's what I was
We've been
saying.
here forever. So the ambulance, we have to get we used to get it from the police department, but now I guess we're going to be getting it from Maribel, right?
I believe you're correct.
Yeah, we get it from Maribel. And so let's look at who we have. So we have the Board of Assessors. I'm trying to find, I'm not as good as I used to be in Excel. So I'm trying to eliminate duplicates.
So if you if you have like the FY27 budget accounting draft and you turn it on filters,
Yeah,
filter row A.
yeah, you can
department,
filter. Yeah, you can filter.
that might give you a quick count.
Yeah.
I can't currently do that on my phone.
Well, you know what else is upsetting is because for many years we had the budget constructed a certain way. And now they've pulled it out and they've rearranged it. So it makes the history very difficult to follow. Very difficult. And from an accounting standpoint, it's not a real good idea to do.
We might have about 19 department heads who will want to come in just on quick count.
Well, the ones that have talked to me,
Like certain ones, like the
Okay.
dog officer, I don't imagine.
that would be covered by,
Police.
yeah.
Yeah, so
that's-
that's what I'm looking at. They
Yeah.
might not
Yeah.
require a separate meeting.
So the big ones would be the library, and we usually took the big ones and then maybe one or two little ones on the same night. So the library, the police and dog officer, or animal officer, right?
So let's say we have 19. Why don't we try to do 5 an evening? And I'll set a draft schedule and email it out to you guys.
All right.
Well, can you arrange it so there's one big one every night?
Yeah.
Yeah, per night, and then the little ones will squeeze in.
Yeah.
Like the, police.
Police, fire, highway.
Exactly. Library,
Library would probably be a big one.
yeah. The treasurer now, and I want to interview the selectmen. They're going to be interviewed by us, and here's the reason why. I was at the meeting when they did their budget, and I was like, oh, shit. Oh, shit, because they're saying, what's in this account, you know? It's like, oh, man.
So I'll assemble that, email it out to you guys.
Yeah, okay.
And
Put
what
the selectmen in there. I definitely want to talk to them because that was really something else.
what night are they still meeting Monday nights?
Yeah,
They do Monday.
And so,
Wednesday's a good night.
well, I was gonna ask
No.
if you guys wanted to try to do like a Tuesday, Wednesday.
We could do
We could bang
that.
out 2 nights in a row, 2 weeks in a row and
Yeah.
be done.
Yeah,
Be
yeah.
the hope.
All right.
yeah,
Yeah, Tuesdays and Wednesdays
yeah.
are both generally good for me.
Yeah, me
Tuesdays-
too.
Tuesdays
Me
and
too.
Wednesdays are
Yeah.
good. They work well for me usually. And then,
And I know the Council on Aging is just biting at the chomp to see you.
excellent. So that's that. All right. The next item I had on new business was the level budget. And I know, Claire, you wanted to speak to that. The instructions went out.
They were supposed to do a 0, which is not level.
Correct. And so just for the record, did you want to speak to that at all?
Yeah, I do. I've been telling the departments that have been anxious to meet with us, be prepared to bring 2 budgets. We need to know what you need because we're building a case for Prop 2.5. And then bring your fallback budget. What is the absolute bare minimum you can do with? So I asked them to bring 2.
Okay.
And you might want to say that when scheduling the meeting, please be prepared to speak to what you need to effectively run your department. And 2, if we run into budgetary problems, what is the
The
fallback budget,
bare
which is the
minimum.
absolute bare minimum? Yeah. And that's what the 0 base was supposed to do. That's when the selectmen are sitting here saying, oh, what's in that budget line? I don't know. Maybe we should raise it like 500. It's like, and they sent out the memo.
And I went back,
Oh,
I did
God,
check,
it's funny.
I did check our notes. We did approve adding the legal line item for the FinCom.
Right.
That was $1,000.
I think.
Yeah,
But Claire had brought up, she wanted to talk about a training line item.
I do. I really do. Now, yeah, a lot of these classes you can take online, Finn.
Mhm.
All you do is you go into like Unibank and, and it pulls up a whole bunch of stuff in classes too, which are really helpful. But some of the classes I've gone to has been as much as $100.
Okay. Would you like to, well, level funding that would be $0.
Yeah.
What is your 0-based budget for training?
It depends on how interested you guys are going to training. I've been paying out of pocket. Let's go 300. Let's go modest this year and see what your interest is, and then we can go up.
I think that's very reasonable. Vinny,
Yeah,
you-
Yeah,
no,
I
no, yeah, I'm good with
so.
that. The online ones, do they all have a cost or?
No, there's no cost.
So what's
There's
the,
no cost. I've gone to ones where they're holding a get together like Central Mass. And they're meeting with I've gone to ones where they met with the assessors. And they're bringing the assessors up to date on the laws and how to apply them. I've gone to that. I went to one on how to do the tax recap sheet. I still can't do the tax recap sheet, and it was 5 hours long.
Oh, my goodness.
But what it does, it gives you and I've gone to, they used to have finance committee training meetings. They would have them in the fall, and it would be a full day, and that costs us, I think, like about $50. And they have every department come in, and explain what they do. You meet your DLS rep. They go through the Prop 2.5 levy training documents. They run you through a couple of examples to make sure you know how to apply it. So it's really good foundations for finance committees. And then they have the legal department speak with you too. So that's good. And then sometimes when we have meetings, they'll have finance committee meetings, and they'll meet in the east, middle of the state, and then west. And it brings all finance committee meetings together, and they talk about relevant issues. And you get to meet other people from the towns and the finance committees and share information. And it's really enlightening. It's really good. It gives you good perspective.
That sounds
Okay.
good.
Well, then I'd like to make a motion that we add a $300 training line item to the FinCom budget.
Okay.
I'll second it.
Do we have a second?
Yeah.
All right, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion passes 3-0. I will get that over to Lori.
Yeah. And the other thing too is when we do, and I've been spoken to about this, and this is what the selectmen involved had examples from other towns, and I have an example from another town. That when you send out information, we are obliged by law to inform the voters of what will be covered in the annual town meeting. So we are supposed to give them information about the articles and whether we recommend or do not recommend. So we have to work with the selectmen on this, because in the past, they just do the articles, and we saw them like,
Well, right
a
now,
week before or something.
they're planning the special town meeting
Yeah,
for,
March 9th or something.
yeah,
something like
and
that.
that's only going to be the eminent domain.
I think it's just the eminent domain, isn't it?
So I don't think there's anything for us to weigh in on.
No,
Okay, for that.
no.
And then, so I saw all the departments, or some of the departments responded that they had nothing else to add to the
Yeah.
special town meeting.
Yeah,
So we
So
don't,
that's the only thing that's going to be on it.
as far as I know, so we'll
Yeah.
have to keep an eye on that.
yeah.
But then the annual town meeting, of course, I haven't heard anything about articles that people want to add.
Yeah, those will come probably around April.
Right.
Then and one of the articles we're going to put together is the stabilization fund for the assessors. We will be putting that together. We would be providing recommendations on the budget. If there's going to be additional lines, for example, another thing that's coming up, Norfolk would be part of the budget, operating budget, okay? So that won't be called out separately, but will be called out separately will be the controls on the boiler for the elementary school are not working. And the initial cost is looking to be 16,000. So this is the last year that we're going to be paying the 14,000 for. Yeah, doesn't work out the way I would have liked. Damn it. So it's the last year we pay on the school roof, 14,000. I wanted to do a capital exclusion. It's a capital exclusion for the boiler controls, 16,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm willing to consider that.
Yeah,
They
have to be fixed. I mean,
but while we're talking about the line items for FinCom, you had also brought up increasing postage.
yes,
So I didn't want to forget about that.
thank you, because if we send out greater information with recommendations on the budget, it's going to be more than one page.
So in the past, it's been, what did we fold last year? Was it 3 or 4 pages?
I think it was, 2 sheets
2 sheets,
double-sided.
both double-sided, so 4 pages, 2 sheets of paper. I'd have to double check with the postmaster, because
Yeah, okay.
last time I checked with him,
Were you able to do bulk,
Well, yeah, so
Yeah, you do the EDDM.
yep,
Yeah,
bulk
and
postage?
it's about $180 to the whole, for the whole town, I think.
yeah.
I just don't know anymore.
I- Just trying to
Postage
think,
rates have
I'm trying to
changed
think
so
if he
much.
gave me a limit on number of pieces of paper
Did he?
when we
Hmm.
talked, and I don't think he did.
Mm,
I'm sure there is.
At some point.
Yeah. Okay. Um, what's the current line item for that, Claire?
General expenses is 250.
Do we want to raise that to 300 or do we want to talk to him first?
Why don't we put 300 in as a placeholder and then see how realistic it is with the postmaster?
Think
And still planning on doing all the printing and folding that here.
Yeah, we used to take it to a printers to do that.
we go back and we've gone back and forth. Alan spoke to it several times.
Mm.
Paul spoke to it several times. There's pros and cons either way.
That printer, I don't care what Maribel says, you make about 10 copies and it jams.
When you take it out to like the UPS store, it's a fixed cost and
That's
it's
right.
done. The argument is we save the town money by us all volunteering our time, but we're still putting wear and tear on the town device.
The paper,
It's-
the ink,
It's still town supplies.
yeah.
Honestly, I don't know what the correct answer is for that.
Yeah, because you might find that printing it on a local machine here is going to cost about what you could get it printed for.
That's what
For a
I'm thinking
professional.
too. A cartridge, because I recently had to buy cartridges and I was startled because for 2 cartridges I paid $150.
So that's kind of what I wonder is, again, making up numbers. If you send it out to UPS store and they charge you 5 cents a page, does this machine, are we really burning through 10 cents a page by
We,
printing on
we
this
may be,
machine?
the thing is, it's a hidden cost.
That's right, it is. It's a very cost. Yeah.
So you don't see it. But in reality, it probably costs more. You know, you do
It's more
photo printing
efficient
at
for
home,
one
it costs
thing.
more than if you have it
Yeah.
professionally printed.
Vinny, do you know the postmaster?
I'm not sure who it is now.
Cam.
Can't, no.
Would you like to meet Cam?
I could.
I just heard that you wanted to. I heard that.
Claire's accepted a lot of responsibilities. Why don't I text you and I can introduce you to Cam sometime?
Okay,
Would you want to talk to him with me? But then would you be willing to get pricing from
oh, sure.
a copy shop
Yeah.
for us? And we'll just do, it's gonna be a mass mailing. I can get you the numbers, this many copies, and we'll just approximate.
Yeah, it's actually, he'll know, because when they do the every door delivery
That's right.
thing, I forgot, 700 something.
I think there's 800 families in Ocam,
Yeah, and I think would,
something like that, 800, 860.
they also have a number that takes all the businesses out. That's just, just residential.
Mhm.
Correct. And I have that in our meeting minutes from last year.
Mhm.
It's around somewhere. And it changes every year too. So it's nice to just
Mhm.
chat with him and refresh it.
Yeah,
Get the cost per printing for bulk printing.
I know postage has gone up a couple of times since last
Yeah.
year, so.
Yeah, and quite a bit, actually.
All right, excellent. So the other item I had was to see under new business other, was to see if we have a pretty involved group now. If someone else wanted to take the reins at taking notes for the meeting minutes. And I'm
We're all looking at you.
Well, no, see, now is when we're supposed to
You were
volunteer
supposed-
somebody that didn't show up at the meeting.
Yeah,
And that's what they get for not
and that's
coming.
why they
No,
don't come.
And if we probably ought to have a couple of people ready to do it, because somebody's,
I've been doing it for several years now.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to continue, but I also think it's nice to
Yeah.
share that responsibility.
No, I'll do it.
If you're interested, we'll
Yeah.
start at the next
Thank
meeting.
you. Yeah, and then we can, if I'm still here next year, we can rotate it.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm only appointed for a year.
Yeah, I got a little problem with that because the bylaw very specifically says it's a 3-year appointment.
Oh, I know.
So
I know.
They
There's
gave
a-
me a 2-year appointment
I
and
know.
I questioned, he said, oh, well, that's it's like, well, so. wasn't
so I
gonna-
couldn't find the staggering in the bylaws.
Oh, you couldn't.
There is none in the bylaw.
That helps. Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's a 3-year,
Appointment.
yeah.
Oh,
And so when there's an opening,
yeah.
you can, the committee can appoint somebody like you did for
Yeah.
us.
We've done in the
And
past.
then
yeah.
at the
Annual
town meeting. The moderator swears you in
Yeah,
for 3 years.
yeah. No,
Or-
just 1 year.
Yeah.
All right. We'll look into I'll look into the bylaws again
Okay,
on that because
All right.
that's
yeah.
confusing.
It's an oddity.
An oddity. I like that,
It's
Claire.
an oddity.
While we had all three of us here, fiscal year 26 year-to-date spending, budget versus actual. Where are we? What update did we get?
You know what? I was waiting for February to come out because if you look at the police department, you'll see there's no telephone expenditures and communication and equipment, there's no expenditures. And that's because there weren't any expenditures. They all went into other accounts. And so Fred and I spent some
We're gonna
time.
talk to him.
We made about 8 or 9 budget adjustments, yeah.
Okay, and that went to Lori?
It went to Lori, yeah, and I don't think that we'll see that until February,
Okay.
honestly.
The reason I ask is because I see November special revenue report. We have a December. I don't see, did we get any numbers from January yet?
So the special revenue is your trial balance.
Yeah.
Let me check to see if we did.
It could just be my internet connection, but I'm only from Lori. Most recent emails I have are about the stabilization account exclusion and the draft budgets.
On the draft budget. What'd she say about the stabilization? Oh, she said we never underwrote it, right? Something like that. Just 26.
Yeah, she said, I agree.
Trial balance.
Do you have anything, Vinny?
The last one I have is November 2025. I don't have anything for December.
Yeah.
Now, that's going to be your revolving accounts, donations. Okay. So it's nothing that pertains to the operating budget.
When's the most recent operating budget you received?
Okay, let me go back and take a look. I think the one for, well, let me see, instead of just trying to guess, expense. I think I have February 5th, 2026.
The one from Kaylee Dexter?
Yeah, which I think I was treating as the end of January, frankly.
Yeah, that's the last
Okay.
one I see here.
Did we have any concerns on that one?
I didn't really have any
I didn't
concerns
see
on it.
anything.
The only thing that I'm looking at is things the communication equipment for the police was a negative $2,361. And that's what Fred spoke to me about. And then we looked at the detail and said, oh, gee, there's training academy and the communication.
On page 1,
I know.
with all the way to the right, the percent variance,
Hmm.
there's already one item that's over budget at a 100.74%. And looks like it's a dues and membership.
I don't know how that could be because the budget was 675 and they got charged 680. Oh, they're at 100% of the budget
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that
and
was
a little over.
yes.
$5 over.
Yeah, that's what it is. They're at budget. Mhm.
Bottom of page 1, 138% over budget for the
Yeah, revale. So that's probably why the assessors really want to talk to us. A number of the departments have said to me, we have squeezed the budget and we cannot squeeze anymore. And we want to give you notice right now.
if you look at the grand totals, everyone's in good shape. And so the couple of line items, page 6, where they're at 111%, I'm not particularly worried because the overall budget is 51%.
As long, your personnel budget is one part, and they have to keep that separate from the operating budget. So as long as the overall expense budget, I should say, is positive, you don't have to worry. And then the last 6 weeks, I think it is, of the fiscal year, you can move money with the permission of the selectmen and us from operating to personnel and vice versa to cover the negative.
Yeah, so I didn't see anything to be concerned there, but I wanted to open it up to the board to see if you guys had any concerns.
No, we don't. I don't.
Vinny?
No, no.
Okay. So that is the fiscal year 26 year-date spending.
Mhm.
Old business. Vinny, did you have any old business for us?
I do.
All right. Claire, did you have any old business for us?
No.
Okay. I don't have the prior meeting minutes, but I can get those emailed out.
Okay. Pathfinder meeting, when you're
Yes.
ready.
You were gonna go.
I'm gonna
It's-
go with March 11th.
Steve was not able to go, I believe, was last week.
That will be the budget and the final budget. They only give one figure. So
I'm
we
gonna
only
put that
have,
under old business.
okay, we have the governor's proposed budget, but the real budget figures we're looking for is our representative, the Senate, and then the conference budget. Those are the budgets. So typically, the schools will get more money from the legislature than they will from the governor, although the governor raised the budget this year for schools. So what happens with Pathfinder is they don't have those numbers yet. So I had asked them some time ago, when we get more money from the state, you don't lower our assessment. And they don't. And what Greg explained to me is they put that extra money into their E&D account, which is their free cash. And then next year they will apply,
For the record, what does E&D stand for?
something in deficiency. And I can't remember the 2 years. It'll come to me, I'll let you know.
Okay.
But it's their equivalent of their free cash. So all the schools put in so much out of their free cash into the budget, just like we do. And so what Greg Falcone, who is their business manager, explained to me was they put it into their free cash. And then next fiscal year, that's part of the money that they apply from the free cash. So we don't see it until the following year. Quabbin operates differently. As the monies come in, they typically will continue to look at the assessments and lower them. So they'll give us a budget present. They're supposed to do one on March 23rd, required by the regional agreement. That's kind of like a straw man. So we probably will keep getting different revisions until April 23rd when they send out the budget.
I mean, we must have seen almost a half dozen
will see a
budgets
half dozen.
last year, right?
Mhm.
Quite a few.
You'll see a half dozen, and then they'll keep changing even up to the very last minute as more information rolls in from Boston.
Yeah, we were very pleased last year with how Quabbin was able to trim their budget.
Just enough.
It was a lifesaver for the town, for
Yeah.
sure.
Now, there is one point that has to be noted about Quabbin. Quabbin is now rated as below average.
When did that happen?
Been that way for about 2 years now.
What is that? Does that affect funding?
No, it doesn't at all, but, so if you look at any houses in Ocam and you go down to schools, you'll see a school rating that says below average.
For the record, excess and deficiency.
Thank you, excess and deficiency. The other thing is the MCAS scores came back. And 1 out of 3 students in Quabbin meets or exceeds expectations. 2 out of 3 do not.
Wow.
So the school has and the school's trying to find what they're going to do in order to recover. So the reason why I'm saying that is because you cannot cut yourself to success, okay? Okay, so the school has taken a bit of a dive. And I'm quite anxious to see how they're gonna pull themselves out.
As a town resident, I'm certainly concerned.
Yeah,
As a FinCom member, what ramifications does that have on the town's budget?
nothing on us,
Nothing on
except
us.
that if they're, you know, if they need money to try to remediate their situation, I'd be more inclined to see how much I can do to help, because that affects property values. If I was buying a house in Ocam and I scrolled down to the school evaluation that said below average, I don't know if I would come here.
Well, I'm just brainstorming with the school being below average. Couldn't that also lead to more students doing school choice
It could.
over to Holden?
The other thing is we could
Nearby
lose school
districts?
choice. We could lose school choice too. And I noticed in the last meeting that they had is the number of school choice students is going down. A large bulk of them are coming from North Brookfield, and North Brookfield is trying to maybe join another regional school, school district, or tuition in their students. And in the Barry Gazette, it showed that the price to go to Quabbin, that Quabbin was trying to charge or was offering, the price to come to Quabbin as a tuition in was higher than Quabog.
Hmm.
So those 40 students that are now tuitioned in will probably continue on through Quabbin, but would we see more students coming in? That's debatable.
Any thoughts?
It's just information.
Yeah,
Information for us to,
I think that Suzanne, when she had her spreadsheet going, I think she looked back at least 10 years, if not 15, and the school budget had remained pretty steadfast
it's always very low every year.
well, as a percent of the town budget, it
Mhm.
fluctuated between about, I thought it was maybe 55 and 63% of the town budget. It was
You will
very
find,
steady.
when you go to any of the state meetings, they will tell you your school budget across the state will be close to 2/3 of your budget. That's standard across the state.
So we're under that by that metric because
Mhm.
2/3 would put you at 66, 67%.
But don't forget, you have Pathfinder.
That's true.
Yeah, so
So that would bring us up.
that would bring you up.
Okay.
So it's been a steady about 66%, and people have objected to it. But as I've gone to state meetings, they say that is the norm across.
Well, what I'm putting out to the table here is just something to keep in mind. With what Claire's saying, we might want to, it may not happen this year, but we may have to think forward
Mhm.
that Quabbin is going to have to spend more
I
to
think
bring
so.
its rating up.
Yeah,
And the taxpayers in town might need to be prepared for that because every year when we go for the annual town meeting, people always ask, why are we spending this much on the school? And as FinCom, we might have to speak to the fact or have the school speak to the fact that you cannot cut to success, to quote Claire, and more will have to be spent. And that could, I'm not saying again this year or next year, but maybe a couple years down the line, could be a 2.5 override to close that budget gap
correct.
if the school decides to spend to success. So
And
just
it-
food for thought.
yeah.
And here's another piece of food for thought. We must have had a complete reval. I have to ask you guys, did we have a complete reval? I don't remember. But, so I looked at the min contribution figures. So you know that, what we pay to both Pathfinder and to Quabbin is based upon min contribution dictated by the state.
Yes, because we always have the discussion, Alan considered it, Paul brought it up a lot, that if you ever needed to, technically you could split that out for the town budget and for the annual town meeting. So the town residents could choose to approve to only pay the state mandated minimum.
No, you cannot.
So we've heard differently. So
And you know why? you are given an assessment by the school. If you do not pay the assessment from the school, it affects everybody's assessment in the district.
Well, so that was what was brought up. There's two
Yeah.
separate parts of that, and DLS could clarify. But basically, the state requires you to pay that minimum. The
Mhm.
school district could then kick you out. And what came up was you would never get into another district ever
Right.
again. if
I
I'm
know
remembering.
nothing in the regional agreement that says that you will be kicked out. I'll tell you that right now. And I was on the committee for the regional agreement, which is why, now I wonder why Mike Bernal keeps saying like, are we going to get kicked out? And I say, no, there's nothing in there to be
So
kicked out.
Vinny was present for these conversations, so I don't have you were certainly more involved in the regional school agreement.
Yes.
But the conversation was had that if we did not pay the school the full amount,
Right.
they could somehow
Kick us out.
kick us
There's
out.
nothing in the regional agreement. I will tell you
So
that.
that's
right now.
fascinating then.
And the regional agreement, I'd say 98% of it is determined by DESI and by state law.
Yeah.
So we have very little maneuvering room in the regional agreement. And whatever we do in the regional agreement has to be reviewed by DESI. In fact, they wrote a huge part of the agreement because their language was not that clear. So there's nothing in the regional agreement that says that. However, if you say, and this has been tried by the towns in the past, and this is why I always ask the question at the town meeting, the school assessment, is that our number or is that the school's number? Because if you do not pay the school number, then whatever you say you want to pay, like say we pay 10%. So now the figure of what that 10% is lowers. It lowers every assessment across all towns. So you may start out with $100,000 lower, say, we're not going to pay 500,000, say, we're going to pay 400. And we're 10% of the budget. That affects, now you say that 400,000 is 10% of what number? That is a new assessment now from the school. It affects every town in the district. So the school's budget may decrease, not 100,000. It may decrease $1 million, $1.5 million.
How are
So
you,
I don't know where those gentlemen got that from, but that is not correct.
how are you allowed to force the reassessment based on what you pay to the school?
You can't. But you can say, I'm only going to vote in my budget this amount of money. That means the assessment on all towns goes down. That means you said that you're not going, in essence, what you're saying is we will not approve the school budget. That's all you're saying.
Okay.
We do not approve the school budget. It takes 3 out of the
3 out of
5 towns to approve the budget. So if everybody else approves their assessment, you pay that assessment.
so
You don't pay what you said I'm going to pay.
Do
You
you
pay the
have-
assessment.
do you have any background knowledge of it? Because Vinny might have been here, but it's come up a few times over the past few years where in the past, maybe Hubbardston had tried to force the school's hand.
I have been here. I was here for 10 years. So what happened is that 3 of the towns got together, okay, and said, we're going to force the school budget down. So we're not going to pay the assessment. So they voted down the assessment simply by saying, we're not paying the assessment from the school. We're going to pay,
We'll
Our
pay
assessment.
400,000 instead of 500,000.
that's what we're going to pay.
Yep.
And so the school went back and they tried to see if they could trim the budget. And they came back with another offer and it got voted down again, same way. So then the school said, we can go no further. And then they called in the state. And the state came in and they said, yeah, that's a reasonable budget for Quabbin. You pay that budget.
And there's no
Done.
no re-
There's no recourse.
no recourse.
You pay. So that's what happens. In the meantime, you've tied up the school budget. You've tied up the budget for the kids. They have to go on a 1/12 budget. They go in the last year's budget and it's 1/12. But this stuff about min contribution, no. That's bullshit. Sorry. It just,
Let's keep it appropriate, Claire.
call it what it is. It's daydreaming. But what's important about the min contribution is this. There's 2 parts of min contribution. One of it is a baseline, and the baseline is what was your income in your town, which comes from the income taxes, And then what is your property values, which comes from our assessors. And then there's a certain percentage that the state takes. And they do some numbers and stuff and they say, okay, you can pay 64% of the required amount of money for the school. And so what they do are the foundation budget, which is what the state's going to fund, and then what the towns are obliged to fund out of main contribution. You can pay 64%, and this year for us it's 64%. So before for us it used to be 55 OCAM, 45 the state. Now that doesn't mean what you're paying. Then there's a second part of the equation that says, this is what you paid last year in contribution. This is your this is your growth. That comes from all the numbers that we're pumping into Boston. So from that, they determine our new growth. So we determine our new growth because we give them numbers, okay? And then they say, okay, your new growth was 3%. So therefore, you have to pay 3% more than you paid last year from contribution because you had new growth 3%. And then they establish that line. Then they say, now that is a percentage of what of the foundation budget? Oh, that's 55% or 54%, and we expect you to pay 55%, so you're good, that's it. But if you're too far away from what they calculate that you can pay, then they add on a percentage or 2 percentages.
Has there
And it's
been,
that amount.
has there been any movement on the rural school funding that people keep talking about?
They've been getting it. Okay, so that's good too. So let me finish this one, then I'll go on to the rural school funding, because I don't know where that comes in. So in any case, so we used to be 55-45, 55 us, 45 the state. So we must have had a revale because I noticed on the min contribution, the figures now say 64, 46. Yeah, they expect us to pay 64, so it went up
64-46 doesn't work out to 100.
64,
36.
36, sorry.
Okay.
But they expect us to pick up 64%. And so we were far enough away from the 64% with the new growth that we got a penalty. I think it's 2 percentage points. So it increased our min contribution by 2% because they're trying to bring us up to that 64%.
You
So
wonder if
this
they
year-
could have made it more complicated.
Oh, when you look at the spreadsheets, I look at it and I say, yeah, no, just write the number down. I'll just write it down. That's okay.
It's like a shell game, you
Yeah,
know, you
they're
can't
pulling
keep
it-
up with it.
They're pulling it up but it's been the same
Yeah.
formula for years and years.
And as far as I'm concerned, the schools should have the same 2.5% max that we have. You know, otherwise, every time they go up more than that, it takes money away from
Wait a minute.
local
Now,
services.
I want you to look at this, because I had that argument with the selectmen. I said, we don't go up 2.5% every year. You go up more. Because in the Prop 2.5 definition is Prop 2.5, what it was last year, new growth adjustment, because we estimate new growth, multiplied by 2.5, plus estimated new growth. That's your levy limit.
I think
Next year, that new growth figure is part of the levy limit.
I think people just like to think that the 2.5
It's not 2.5,
is a uniform rate. I think it's easier for people to
and it's not.
digest.
So
But
Yeah.
it is dependent upon new growth. So that brings us back to the Conservation Commission.
rural, we were going to talk rural first.
Okay. So no, it's not 2.5%. If you see here, it's been going up
I know
4%,
my taxes have
4.6.
certainly gone up faster than my house value has.
Well,
Yeah.
then I can explain some of that stuff too, but that's for another time. Okay, so they were expecting 800 and some odd $1,000. Now, apparently this is new, I'm new on rural funding. So the rural funding runs from January to January.
Oh, good. Different fiscal year.
It's a different, yeah, a different funding year. So they thought they were going to get like $860,000, which is a lot of money. They got $81,000 less they planned the budget last year expecting 860.
So they got 10% less.
So they know that they have a budget gap of $81,000, which I think they're gonna try to cover in this budget because they're gonna have to. So what I have to find out is on rural funding, how do we find out when we get that figure and how much is estimated that we're going to get?
Okay.
Yeah,
You
Now, what
want,
is the rural funding for? What it would,
it was, the point was made that schools in central and western Mass were losing students. So they are in hold harmless. So that means they're level funded by the state.
which, as you know, doesn't work as costs like oil and electricity go up.
Correct. So they do give you a little bit more per student. It used to be $20 more. Now I think it's more like 100. So they say, we will hold you where you were last year, but we'll give you $100 more per student. And I have to say that when you look through the funding figures, how they determine how much a school is going to be funded, Quabbin is not deserved to get 17 million. They're only entitled to 14, 15 million. It used to be 11 million. So we were into the state for $5 million. They were giving us $5 million more than we were entitled to. That's what hold harmless is. There's going to be such a reduction in your budget that there's no possible way people can make up for it. Therefore, we will give you the same, hold harmless, and give you a little bit more money because of costs going up. So, so that's where the 17 million comes from, and we have been in hold harmless for over, I'd say at least 15 years, 2 decades, maybe 20 years. We've been in hold harmless. Our school population is on a ski slope down. It was Central Mass and Western Mass began to combine schools, regionalize to try to make up for it. So the decision was made that there's no way that these towns are going to recover population, costs are going up, et cetera, et cetera. And so they started to say, well, for the rural schools, we will give you additional money. And I don't know what the definition of a rural school, because it's new. So I'd have to look
you
at
would
what the
think Ocam
definition
would
is.
be considered.
We are. We're considered a rural school. Actually, Quabbin is considered a rural school. And so they give additional money. And we have to thank Ann Goby for that, because she's the one that gets the money for us. So it was like $860,000. And then the final budget and the final pass through with the legislature, it was cut. So we lost $81,000.
Okay. Well, out of respect for everybody's time, I do want to keep us moving. Claire, you mentioned Conservation Committee.
Yeah, so, as I pointed this out to the selectmen, you always talk 2.5, 2.5. You see what you're going up? You're not going up 2.5, 4, 4.68. So I don't want to hear about the 2.5 anymore,
So
okay?
what's that?
But what is it dependent upon? Look at the years. What went up? Look at the new growth.
So what's that have to do with the Conservation Committee?
Because that was the one comment that we both made. If we look at their bylaws, it would guarantee virtually no new growth in this town.
Oh,
This town also has a
that's
problem.
You know what I mean?
Uh,
So that point was well taken.
I mean, I think that's the strongest argument.
It is, because you go, in fact, I had talked with some towns at finance committee meetings. Westboro, this one sticks in my mind. No problems with money. Why? New growth.
We also have a unique problem, well, not unique out in the Quabbin area, but only 41% of the area of the land in this town pays a full tax rate.
Okay, so let me go into that.
Oh.
That's so.
Hold on, Vinny
No,
has the
I mean,
floor.
I got, so,
No, it's less than that. I think we're a third. It's owned by the state. But
Oh, no,
the
no,
Trappist monks own a
this-
bunch too. Yeah,
right,
You're
so you've got
you're right.
DCR, it's about it, that's 30%.
State Forest.
They pay $147,000 a year for, a third of the town.
Oh,
The
wait a
state
minute.
forest is about 30,000. These might be a couple of years old, these numbers, but about 30,000.
So you're bringing, yeah.
Now,
keep going.
included in the state forest is all the wildlife management area. That's just thrown in, you know, you don't get any extra for that.
Well, let
The
me,
federal
Yeah.
government actually
Full out
owns, or, you know, has taken
Yeah.
part for, I forgot what the percentage is, but, for the Berry Falls project, they pay nothing. And that doesn't include the 61A stuff. That's another 15% of the town that's paying a total of 80,000.
You're
So-
passionate about this, Vinny. Go
We're,
on.
we're down to 41% of the town paying for the whole town.
well, so now let me back up because this is an issue that we have to poke into. Okay, so we get on the cherry sheet for state-owned land, 160,000, or right now it's proposed at $160,595.
So it's gone up a little. I think I had 2024 numbers.
Yeah, and that is wildlife and fisheries and probably state forest. That is not watershed.
Well, the numbers,
Does
Well, what-
not include watershed. And if you read the detail on watershed, which I've been poking into, watershed does not come in the cherry sheet.
in 2024, they paid $147,068 for 28.5% of the town.
Who did? Can you remember?
DCR.
Yeah, that's Department of Conservation Recreation. That is not watershed. That's not watershed.
Well, that's
wildlife-
all of the DCR.
That's wildlife and fisheries. Watershed does not come in the cherry sheet. And I'm trying to find out where it comes in because I went into the watershed website and we get $178,000 for just watershed property. So DCR land is they decide the rate by which they're going to reimburse us. Watershed is reimbursed at our tax rate.
So
And that does not come in on the cherry sheet, and I can't figure out where it's coming in. And I talked to Diane Peterson, and she doesn't know either. So I'm gonna have to talk to the treasurer. I sent a message to DCR and I said, where do you put the money? And they said, ask your assessor. And they sent me the link. And I went to the link and the link shows that we get $178,000. It is reevaluated every 2 years. It can only go up, it cannot go down. That's watershed. So if take 178 and 160, that's 330,000. But I can't figure out where the money comes in. I don't know where the money's coming in. I don't know what account it's going into. And Diane couldn't figure it out either. She said, I think it's coming in under unrestricted government aid. And I said, it can't because that's the cherry sheet.
Vinny, if you want to dig into that, everything I see is that it's about 30% of the town is state-owned.
Of
Is,
course, the Trappist monks wouldn't pay either.
But you're saying it's more than that when you
Well-
factor in the
well,
other things?
if you look at the DCR property, that's 28.5%. Ocam State Forest is another 8%.
Okay.
Um,
Where are you getting these numbers? Just so we can.
I would have to go look at the
Okay.
references.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
But
You
Just so
can
people
get it
can
right
chase
on
it
the
down.
state websites. They tell you how much they own of your state land.
Yeah.
In a muni bank, they tell you. So here I have it from John Gillette. And he says, I also post the watershed and the next land valuations, which get reimbursed directly from DCR. It is possible DLS used to link to it, but I don't remember. It's also possible your assessor is familiar with it. Use this link. So it's watershed payments in lieu of taxes, so I went to that. And then I went to one of the links here. And I saw Ocam was 178,000. Here it is. Fiscal 2025 payment in lieu of taxes for Quabbin Reservoir, Ware River, Wachusett Reservoir, Sudbury Reservoir, and the watershed communities. And we are down there for, in 2025, it says 147,868.
Okay.
Then I looked in fiscal 2026 and had gone up to $178,000.
So what percent of OCAM is still tax-based, Vinny, based on your numbers?
Is Well, if you take the 61A stuff out, because that's privately owned, it's 57%
57%.
of the town that pays.
And we already have the most stringent zoning allowed per state law.
I don't
Is
know.
That was my understanding. I don't know if it's still true.
No.
300 feet of frontage and 3 acres,
3 acres, yeah.
unless you do an estate lot. An estate lot allows you to come in under that 300 feet of frontage, but you need to have, I thought it was 25 acres.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So I think that just all speaks to, I think we're all saying the same thing, that the opportunity for new growth in Ocam is already limited.
Exactly. It's limited.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And so introducing new bylaws,
That make it even harder is going to be detrimental to the fiscal.
I'm
Yeah.
starting to lean towards very detrimental.
I think
Claire.
so. I do.
Okay, well, I don't think we're going to solve that here
No.
and now, but those are good numbers to
I mean,
have.
and it's good just to having conversations of where do we go? I mean, we're in trouble,
I only,
and
Sorry, go
we
on.
gotta, this town has been, living in the past and ignoring the future because they don't want anything to change. Well, the future comes up and kicks you in the butt which is what's happening to us now. We've got this fight going on that if there had been some planning and somebody looking for businesses to bring into town to places like that to actually generate some money.
At one time we did, we were going to have a warehouse on 122. The
Yeah.
people here told me, and it was voted down.
But you
It's a
gotta,
shame.
I know the concern is want to keep the rural nature of Ocam, and that's why we live here. We all give up the conveniences and amenities of city life for the quiet solitude of the country. But
There's
you
a
still
price.
have to keep up with the times. You still have to have, there's no planning.
Well, you've just made a wonderful argument for a Prop 2.5 override.
I hope you wrote it down, Claire.
Yeah.
Except
We'll
you
have to have
can't,
you speak to
you
that,
can't,
Vinny.
well, except then you run into the problem of
Here you are.
we have a
Here
lot
it
of
is.
people in town who are now on a fixed budget, a lot of retired people. And how much,
So this is the one,
This is the
one
watershed.
this is the one I've seen before.
Yeah, this is watershed. See, it's
Okay.
178,000.
okay, so it has gone up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It'll be, it can't go down.
right.
It can only go up.
There's a bill in the Senate, actually, to create a Quabbin trust fund that would put $35 million a year.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
So at least there's somebody, but the people in Boston will probably vote that down.
Probably.
Well, I think this is all good information.
Yeah.
Honestly, Vinny, I think if you want to put some of it in writing to the FinCom, I think it is going to be valuable that we might have to share some of it with the town residents
Mhm.
at the annual town meeting. But
I also think we need to see where that $178,000 is.
Yeah,
Because I have no idea. I thought it came in under local revenue. But now I'm looking at our local revenue, and the local revenue is $140,000 under pilot. And so I asked, we have the solar field here. I asked Diane Peterson, where's that money coming in? And she said it's coming in as personal property tax. So it's coming in that way instead of us getting a check every 6 months. So that, so I don't know where we're getting the watershed.
is it not on the special revenue report?
No, I don't know. Take a look. Is it?
to-
I don't think I've seen watershed under there.
Let me do a
do we
quick
have
search.
revenue projections yet for?
Yeah.
No.
We need to get we have the cherry sheets. We need to have from the assessors, the new growth adjustment and new growth. That'll give us the levy limit. Then we need abatements and overlay, which is a subtraction. What else do we have? I can't think of anything else offhand, Benny. I can't. Yeah,
On quick glance, I don't see.
but that's the watershed.
Yeah.
Okay, and that doesn't come in on the cherry sheet, which is the 160,000. So where's it coming in?
So it's not showing up anywhere in our revenues?
I
or-
don't know where it is. I don't know where it is.
What about cash state grants? Journal entry for this period was 236,000.
I can ask. Cash state grants.
It's on page 1.
Well, this isn't a grant.
I know I can't
Yes, but-
see anything.
Anything else? So I have to ask the treasurer if she knows where watershed's coming in. The other thing that I could do is go to Deb Wagner at Bureau of Budgets and say, John Gillette, gave me this information, but I don't need to read the law. I just want to know how it's applied, okay?
Yeah.
What bank account are you putting it into?
Yeah. All right. Well, then I will move us on to our next item. Also, old business was, do we have any updates on town clerk position?
It's being posted.
Been posted?
Yeah, or being posted. It's going to be posted. So is the highway superintendent.
So the highway was the last item I had to ask about.
Yeah, I
Did
think they got 2 people apply, but they want to go out and see if they can't get more.
Yeah, it's best to choose from a pool of larger than 2,
Yeah.
for sure. Okay,
That's what's happening.
that is all I had under old business.
Okay, we still don't have a treasurer's budget. There's no treasurer budget.
So did the board of selectmen not make a decision? I thought they were getting pricing to sub that out.
They did. I saw that. I asked for the contract, by the way.
Okay,
So the contract is for, oh God, I guess I can't tell you off the top of my head, but for routine duties, it was going to be for 1 year, $60,400. That was the 60 that they asked us to put in from stabilization. And then they authorized up to $36,000 for extra work. And so it was X odd number of hours at $175 an hour
right.
if she had to do extra work.
Okay, so no progress there. Okay,
But they didn't submit a budget either. So when we interview the selectmen, it's going to be, you might want to make that for one evening because they got to give us a treasurer's budget. They need to bring us up to date on the highway. They have to tell us what they want to put in for the town clerk. Town clerk?
Yeah.
So we're missing some.
okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go around the room. We'll try to schedule the next meeting probably about 2 or 3 weeks out. But it depends on how soon we can decide on the department budgets, because I'd like to meet on those sooner rather than later. So I'll reach out to see what everyone's schedules are. But
I'm going to keep Tuesday and Wednesday free for you.
I'd like to
How's
try,
that?
I was gonna say, I'd like to try to do Tuesday, Wednesday.
I mean, Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll keep it free for you. Okay.
But Vinny,
Yeah, and
did you
actually
have,
my Tuesdays and Wednesdays are pretty good.
Yeah.
Into, at least up to April.
Vinny,
yeah.
did you have anything else for the finance committee?
No,
Claire, did you have anything else for the finance committee?
No.
All
So
right.
I have to talk to DLS about the stabilization fund and I'll talk with the selectmen about where do we go from here with Norfolk, agricultural.
Okay, well then I would like to make a motion that we call this meeting to an end. Do I have a second?
second.
Second, all in favor?
Aye.
All right, so I call this meeting to an end
Now you're going to
at
be sending us,
8:34 PM.
you're going to send us a schedule of the meetings with the
Yes.
committees? Okay, and then after we say yes, no, then it goes out to the departments, right?
Correct.
Oh, good. Okay, good.
All right, did you want to end that recording?
I do.